Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. My respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today in the classroom we taught to the students uppercase and lowercase letter O, its formation, its sound and vocabulary words. At home, how could you teach letter O? Onion. Take some onion, keep them on the table and let's start. How to write it, how to pronounce it. घर की दुनिया में ओ सीखेंगे. Start from the first line, go round, round, round and stop. It will make capital O. Start from second line, go round, round, round and stop. It will make small o. Capital O, small o, and the sound of O is O. Oranges. O. Oranges. O. Ostrich. O. Owl. O. Onions. O. Onions. Very good. I want to tell you one thing that is very important. Obey your elders. Help your elders when they ask for assistance. Okay? After that, it's story time. The ostrich ate oranges. Juicy, yummy, fresh oranges. The owl flew by and noticed onions on the ground. The ostrich offered the owl some oranges. Sharing is caring. I hope so. You all learned it and you will teach it very well at home to the kids. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.